Hello Aquarius, welcome to the channel. This is the Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me, and I am here today with your love guidance. And this is your love guidance that is for just really the month of November. Some of this energy may have already played out in your life, like the beginning of the month, or could be playing out right now. But I just wanted to create something to hold you guys over until I get back to your sign for your next guidance, okay? So I hope that this helps, and I hope it resonates. If you do like it or resonate with it, hit the thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and subscribe. Let's get started. All right, so what's up with this situation with this person? This can be a love interest. This can be someone that you're attracted to, someone that you have a situationship with. This could be a crush, someone that you're interested in. So this person, sorry, let's start with you guys. You guys may be feeling a little nervous for some reason, a little nervous about this connection, or maybe there's an aspect of this connection that makes you a little intimidated or shy with this person. Overall, I feel like with them, you enjoy yourself. You enjoy yourself with their company, or you enjoy your time with them, or maybe you're just like enjoying yourself in general. But life seems to feel pretty good for you right now. For some of you, you could be playing hard to get. But if you are, that's a major turn on to this person, or maybe they're playing hard to get and it's turning you on in a major way. But either way, I feel like you are keeping up the pace with this person, and they're keeping up the pace with you. So even if this is like someone who has a totally different zodiac sign as you, oh, they're keeping up with you. Even if this is like someone who normally moves really slowly in the connection, not at this time. I feel like they're keeping up with you. If you're moving fast, they're moving fast too. Like, they're not making you wait. I feel like they want to be on the same page as you. All right, so they move how you move. They're acting how you act. They're doing what you do. They're really into you. And so this has allowed you to really become focused on them. You're very focused on your love interests, very fixated on them, because they are on your same level right now. Now, your person of interest, they could be all over the place. I'm not going to lie to you. They could be all over the place emotionally. Their feelings are definitely showing. Whatever they feel about you is out there. They may pick arguments with you, or they may say certain things. You just may see them getting in their feelings because they realize how much they really like you, or how much they really love you. They're really into you, and they're trying to control it though. They're trying to control these emotions, but don't be fooled by this person's sense of control. They like you more than you think, more than you know. They feel attracted to you more than anybody right now, okay? Like, don't be fooled by this. They are really into you, like super into you. But this person really just feels so much abundance in this connection with you, so much love. And I feel like this makes them always willing to go deeper with you and explore this love, as it puts them into like this fantasy mindset about love. Like it literally brings this person back to some type of childhood dream. And they're like, wow, wow. I've got the best person that I could think of, like literally, this person could think about the best kind of person that they ever wanted, you're that. Like, you are the manifested that. You're exactly what this person wanted. So it's just like, damn, I don't want anything else. I can't see myself ever changing my mind. And when a person, especially if this is a male feeling like this about a female, but it could go either way. But when a person feels like this, that means that there's a door open for marriage. That means that that's what they want, because they want to be with you forever. This is like lifetime partner. Like, you're going to be with me this whole lifetime. And that's what they are feeling about you, because everything, you hit every point. You hit the mark with everything you do. From your style, to your smile, to the way you talk, to the way you express yourself, to your interests, your hobbies, your similarities together, to the way you even wear your hair, to the way you express yourself. Like, I mean, what you do for work. Like, everything is just everything. Everything is everything when it comes to them, right? So they're going deeper with you. They want to go deeper with you, and I feel like they are. They want to explore this love because this love really, really puts them in another mindset, you guys. This makes them more conscious of your powerful effect that you have on them. They feel like you got the power. You've got the power. This person feels like love at last, love at last. Instead of free at last, they're like love at last. This is the love that this person has always wanted. They really do have you. So they're humble about this, and they take some time to sit back and think about it like, damn, this is really my life. This is really happening. I've always wanted this, and I finally have someone who really does love me for me. They don't see me because of my money. They don't see me because of my cars, my clothes. They don't see me because of my past or whatever. They just see me. And it's really mind-blowing. So this person is really listening to their intuitive feelings that they have about you. Their intuition has told them so many things, and their body receives all kinds of accurate messages from the divine. This person knew the whole time that they were going to be with you. For a lot of you, this is someone who have been waiting a long time before they decided to ask you out or ask you for your number, or someone who waited a long time before they opened up to you and expressed their feelings to you. They waited a long time. They were trying to keep these feelings and emotions bottled up. They didn't want you to know because they didn't know how you were going to take it. They didn't know if you were on the same page with them. They didn't know what you really wanted. It's so many things they didn't know. But now they're like, oh no, I gotta tell them. I gotta tell them. So that, if they've told you some things, then believe them because they're in this energy. But for some of you, they probably didn't say anything, but they're feeling these things, right? And they recognize that the feelings that they feel are true, even if they don't say anything. Now, you may see this as your twin soul. For some of you, you may feel like this is a person who you have been waiting to meet as well. You feel like, you know what, we are together now. We have a lot in common. And there's also something about you guys coming together for the sake of others as well. Like, you may have people depending on this. Like, maybe you guys or your mom or their mom have always wanted them to be with you. Or maybe, like, you guys could be childhood sweethearts, and their mom or your mom or both moms always wanted you two together, always saw you two being together. Like, all the other girls, the mom didn't like them because the mom always knew it was you. And this person is finally, coming towards you. And I feel like it's their mom because it's like your point of view. So it could be their mom. It's like people actually want to see you guys together. So you guys coming together is like, this is like a big time relationship because someone's mom always wanted you for them, I feel. Also, this is someone who may have some spiritual gifts. This person is starting to accept who they really are, and they're standing in their power. They're stepping into their role in society. This could be a person who's now open to spirituality. You may catch them wearing a crystal or 2 or 3. They may go out and buy it. They may ask you about crystals and what this is all about. They may be someone who's interested in maybe even religion. Maybe this person's picking up the Quran and reading that, or the Bible. You have really done something to this person where they're starting to understand that in order for me to become one with love, I must become one with God. And to become one with God, I become one with myself. And then if I become one with myself, I become one with the universe. And if I'm one with the universe, then that means that really I'm in control. I'm in control. I'm in control of what I get out of life. And if I want to be happy, and I want real love, and I want to go to heaven one day, and I want to be, on God's favorite list, then I must become one. I must become one with love first. So this person, like, wow, this person thinks really, really deeply when it comes to you guys. This could be someone who has life path number 6, number 1, number 3, or the numbers 42, 10, or 21 could be significant to some of you guys. The numbers 9, 5, or 14 could also be significant for some of you guys. But yeah, this person is like into crystals now, I feel, for some of you, or maybe they are starting to bring forward their gifts. Maybe they're starting to reveal that, yeah, they've got an intuition too. They know things too. They figure things out too. They get visions or dreams or something like that. This person's connected spiritually too. And so that's starting to come out, right? The way they see you as like, man, you're their sanctuary. You are their sanctuary. You're the person that they really, really love. The person that they really, really like. The person that gives them strength in this world. You empower them. You better them. They feel like because of this love, there's going to be so many beautiful opportunities that comes out of this love connection. There's going to be a lot of positive changes in your life. Like, they see you about to experience so many beautiful opportunities in your life because they're making this connection with you. So this could be someone who has a lot of money, maybe, who can open up some doors for you in your career. They could be someone who can open up some doors just overall in your life. Maybe they know that you've always wanted children. They feel like, I get to be the first dad. I get to be the first dad to them. Even if they have their own kids, they love their kids to death, I'm sure. But when it comes to you, it's just like, oh my God, I get to be the first father. For those of you who don't have children, because I'm picking up women who don't. But even if you do have children, they're just like, I get to be one of your baby dads, whatever. They're just into that. And they see you standing in your power. You're very, very passionate about your vision for your future. You're very passionate about what you do for a living. You're very passionate about how you see your life. You're very passionate about, because maybe you guys always saw yourself being successful, or always saw yourself being this person who lived a really good life. And they see you like really standing in this energy. Like, you're very powerful. You could be like a superwoman, Superman, Wonder Woman, Wonder Man type of archetype to them. And they just see you like able to do so many things because you're that powerful. That's how they see you. And being like this, you bring about so much positive change to other people. Your light spreads to other people, and people start to think more positively because of you. So there is like really a lot of beautiful energy exchanging between you and this person. They see your life about to change, okay? And they are there to serve as like your finally moment. Like, they know that they're there. They know that they are your finally person. Finally, I have love. Finally, I can start a family. Finally, I have everything I want. Finally, my dreams are coming true. Finally, God smiles upon me. Finally. Right? So that's really beautiful. And that's all I have. God bless.